2007 Chevy Silverado 6-cylinder 4.3. Been dealing with the cylinder 3 misfire, code P0303, for years. I've replaced the spark plugs, the wires, the coil packs, the fuel injectors, the fuel pump, the fuel filter, the air intake sensor, clean the throttle body. I've done everything I can do and still no change. Even did a smoke test, fixed a vacuum leak. It ran better, but no change on the cylinder 3 misfire. After years, finally figured it out. It was the valve springs. On the right side, the middle cylinder is 3. Replace the valve springs on that. Problem gone. Runs great. It's amazing after all that. So if you can't figure it out, replace your valve springs.